Now here is nice mom. So continue watching my videos and share them and like them, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Woo! You can even get while sitting. Hello family, welcome back. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I want to pick one of Marwa's visitor who came from Nairobi. Guys, being nice is not expensive, so I had to make sure that she had somewhere to spend the night. So I'm going to pick her. I'll be taking her to Marwa's villa. Okay, to me being nice is just part of me, guys, yeah. So I decided to look for her somewhere. My house is small. That is why I'm called Nice Mom, yeah. Okay, this, you know, when you adapt a certain name, you realize with time you're going to do exactly what that name means. I could not actually accommodate her, but I found her a place that I knew she was going to be comfortable. In fact, it is just next to my place, so it is here. Let me wait for them to open for me. Yeah, so guys, when you come to our village, you'll not get stranded so long as Nice Mom is there. Yeah, we'll make sure that you have somewhere to sleep, and also you have somewhere maybe to take shower. And okay, in our village we have a lot of food, so it is obviously that you'll get food, guys. So let me knock again. It's like they've not heard my knock. Oh guys, I have to make a call so that they can open for me the gate. This is where she slept. In fact, she's the one who has opened for me the gate. Yeah.
Yes.
So how was your night?
My night here was nice. Okay. Can I stay here longer? We will
ask
the owner.
It's okay.
I want them to adopt me as their kids.
And then did you realize that we are so welcoming?
Yes, people here are very, not only welcoming, they are very nice.
Okay.
They are very respectful. Okay. They always say hi. Yani, hospitality here is...
it is part of us, guys.
I want to live here forever.
Okay, guys. Thank you. So, so I've just come to pick you so that we can go to Marwa's villa.
Yes.
Yes, I know there's much for us today.
Yeah.
You know, always
what
at times
there today? Okay,
I just wanted to go and introduce yourself to some of the YouTubers around, because yesterday you introduced yourself and you said you have a channel.
Yes.
Yeah, and then I think
Mara is going to go to on air today.
Yeah.
Mara is going to post that today or tomorrow.
Yeah, yes, and then you came purposely to see Marwa, is it?
Yes.
Yes. She's supposed to help us do something in the...
Yes, it's a surprise, guys.
In fact,
it's a secret.
Yeah, she has
a
not
big
revealed
secret.
It. Yeah.
Yes.
So okay, let us get in.
Yeah.
So guys, okay, we'll be...
Madam has some visitors.
Okay.
And I don't think it's good for us to go with the camera.
So this is my friend's home.
Yes.
Guys, look at
his home is beautiful.
Flowers. I tell you, it is beautiful. Yeah.
Yes.
Akimi, I just wanted you to be comfortable.
I am.
See, you saw my house is very small.
Yes.
But my heart is big.
Yeah, your heart is big. Your friends' hearts are big.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. I eat a lot of chapatis.
We are just next to Tanzania.
Yeah.
And you know,
those from Tanzania.
Yeah, we get most
actually,
of the food.
Before going to the villa, can I cross over to Uganda, to Tanzania,
and then come back? It is okay. There is no problem. We can go there, and then you can even see what is there.
Yeah.
But even though today is on a Sunday, it is not a market day.
Okay.
Yeah, on a Saturday.
But Madam is coming from the market. I told her she could have woken me up. She went alone. She could have
She went
woken me up and go
alone.
to the market. I
To
wanted
the
to go
market.
to the market.
Okay, yeah, we have a market just around. I don't think she went to Tanzania.
Mm.
Huh?
Oh no, there one around. See,
Okay.
there's another one around where people buy goats and cow.
And, yeah.
yeah.
I imagine I wish you could have gone there.
Yes.
Yeah, but next time is
yes,
always there.
yes.
Yeah.
When I arrived,
Okay.
every motorbike there was screaming Dodoma, Dodoma, Dodoma. So I was like, wow.
So you alighted at the border, you know?
Yes.
Not okay, you know. Okay.
I alighted at the border.
At the border, then
where
you
there is a
came,
gate.
and then
a
you
gate
came
to Tanzania and a gate to
okay.
Kenya. Yes.
And then you came back.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So is Dodoma that far?
Not really.
Yeah.
But then you know they have there's somewhere that is called, is it Dodoma is okay, you reach, I think it is Musoma first. No, Tarime. And then,
Can I go and come back?
Yeah, you can.
Today?
You can.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
I want to go and come back.
And come back.
Yes.
It's okay, there's no
So
problem.
are you going to church?
No,
Ah.
I'm not
Oh,
going
today we are
today.
with you?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay,
Amazing.
thank-
I slept. Yesterday I was so sick. I slept, I didn't charge my phone.
Okay, guys.
I just slept.
let
I
me
was so
tell you one
tired.
thing. There's something
Yes.
that always makes me happy
Yeah.
in my life.
Mm.
Because you know, okay, like what Marwa is doing, you know,
Yeah,
Marwa
yeah.
is touching lives. So me, whenever I do a good thing to person, I feel that satisfaction.
Yes,
yeah.
that's true.
So me, when I just found somewhere that you could just rest,
Sleep, yeah.
I'm happy.
You feel even me, I'm
Yeah.
very grateful. I am
Yeah.
very grateful. I
Oh
must
my.
do something.
Alafu,
Yes.
let me tell you, it okay. At times maybe it cannot be you, but somebody somewhere.
Yes, or pay it forward, yeah.
Exactly, yeah. So this is what always happens. So I can just get and say hi to Madam before maybe we leave. Yeah.
She
Okay.
has to get as I put on my shoes. and my
Yeah,
socks.
it's okay. So guys, continue watching our video. For now, let me just pause
Yes.
the video, yeah, and
Yeah.
then I'll be continuing. Guys, thank you so much. We appreciate you. Okay, so guys, we are leaving. So this is the place where my sweetheart will be hosted for the rest of the days that
Yes.
she'll be around here. So guys,
Yes.
so we are meeting when we reach there, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, it's okay.
What's going on here is we met this lady
Yeah,
who has lost 10 shillings.
10 shillings.
It's like she was going to the shop or coming from the shop,
Yeah.
and then we found her just looking on the ground, looking around on the ground. It's just like the way she's looking right now.
It's 10 bob, guys.
Yes.
So can I just give her that 10 bob?
10
Then
shillings
we
is
go.
about a cent,
Yeah,
dollar.
let me just give her.
Yeah. She's still looking.
She's looking. She's still looking for it.
Mm.
Okay, she's stressed up. Yeah. Do I have that 10 bob? Okay, I've found that 10 bob. So this one.
This is 10 shillings.
Yeah. So let me just give. So maybe when I know when she'll come back, she'll still look for that one, the last one.
Yeah. Alright. Guys, I want to show you these people who are plowing. You know, Nice Mom does not know that this is actually content. This is the things that we want to see.
You
Look
know
at these
what, guys?
are
Okay.
farming.
To me, they are normal.
Yes.
Yeah, because okay, this is what we normally do in the village. you
Yes,
see?
yeah.
So it's like it's normal routine. Yeah. But then to her, you know,
Yeah,
she's
look
from
at how,
the city. Yeah.
how beautiful this area looks. I don't know whether you can see those hills.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then ini tobacco. Ama ini.
Yeah. This is tobacco.
Guys, look at this tobacco.
They're still growing tobacco.
Yeah, this is tobacco, guys. This is where cigarettes come from.
Yeah.
We are at the river.
Wow.
We come here to shower.
Yeah. Guys, are you hearing the
birds.
birds singing? Yeah. And can you hear the movement of the water? Okay, so guys, we are getting prepared. We want to shower. We are together with
Vicky Mogambi.
She's there.
I'm ready to dip into the water. Fat woman in the water.
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, continue watching the video.
Guys, so I am with Nice Mom. We've come to the river. This is where we are showering. Outside in the river. Let me show you. You see how steep that is? I want to go down.
That is where we want to go down.
I want to go down and then come back up and change. So if I am unable to go down, if I am unable to go down. I am doing this for you so that you can subscribe to my channel and Nice Mom's channel.
So what you're going to do, balance yourself.
I balance myself.
Yeah.
I sit.
Yeah, sit.
Yeah. I didn't sit. You see, I didn't sit. I didn't sit because I am still wearing this white
And then
top.
I'll be the next person to come down.
Ah, yeah. Who am I? Well, yeah. So this water is you hear the sound of the water? You see how beautiful this place is? This is a nice scenery.
Can I carry for you?
My bag?
Yes.
Yes. You see these things? It means people will shower here.
So can you catch?
Yeah. My Kikoi, how are you coming down?
Okay, let me just organize myself.
Yeah.
Guys,
She has to sit down and then she's smart.
I have to.
Yes, she's smart.
And then
Carry your things.
I can imagine.
Yes. This is a mushroom. I don't know whether it's edible. It might be poisonous, but this is a mushroom. Yeah. And then you see the water.
Your bag you're leaving it here?
Yeah. Anyone can carry it? I have come to shower in the river.
How are you going to take this water?
Just throw it.
No.
I can.
Let me try.
If I did it, you can do it too. Yes. You're falling. You're falling.
Right.
You didn't fall. So guys, I want you to see this.
This water is cold.
This water is so cold.
Woo! Guys,
Welcome back to my childhood.
just a minute.
Me, I'm afraid of animals that live underwater. Hey. Hey. But this would be a nice thumbnail. Yeah. Yeah. We shower like this in Africa. Wait.
Where's sabuni yangu? Woo, my soap. My soap was going with the water, guys. I've just saved it.
This is how we shower in Africa.
Okay, guys. Yeah, soap.
Soap has entered the eyes.
So, guys, this is how we shower in Africa. Now, the funniest part of it. I don't know if you saw my soap going with it. Yeah. Ah! Guys, water was going with my soap.
With the soap.
Yes. I carried this. So you can either, you can either use this or this, or even the sand.
Show us the sun.
So let me just show you guys. So you can also use this. Woo, guys! I'm almost falling down.
Yay!
Guys, it's fun! Wow! I just want to give you a short story about how I started my channel. Yeah, it is an idea that came to me. I was selling utensils. Here in the village we call them, or in Kenya we call them kutumba. And then after some time I got broke. After getting broke, I opened a channel, and an idea came to me that can I start cooking with this utensil? Then I did that. But for the time being now, I'm doing some vlog in the village. So I'll be showing you guys our lifestyle, generally what we eat, how generally we live. Like now we always bathe at the river, so we really enjoy it, guys. So I started my YouTube channel. And can I tell you something, guys? The first time that I wanted to start my YouTube channel, because I didn't know anything. Somebody told me that I was supposed to give that person 4,000 Kenya shillings. And then I went to Mr. Google. Thank you so much, Mr. Google. Guys, I went there and then I Googled. It is free, guys. And then I did it. Now here is Nice Mom. So continue watching my videos and share them and like them, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. You can even bathe while sitting.
That's like at any position.
Exactly, at any position. So guys, I'm washing my sandals. Clean.
Clean as.
Sparkling clean. Look at there, I'm clean. Look at there, I'm clean. Look at there, I'm clean, guys. Oh, look at there, I'm clean. Thank you, guys. Continue watching the video. Guys, my top! Guys, my top!
You got this.
Yeah. I tell you, there are many challenges. Bathing at the river. In fact, water can go with your things.
Even you yourself.
Even you yourself.
Water can carry
Okay,
you.
if you're not careful, even water can go with you. Guys, we use this one, ng'ombe. Guys, I always do like this. This is why I stay young. Guess my ears. Wow, I'm done. Super clean.
Super soft.
Yeah. I want to try if I can climb to this place. At my age, let me try. Ooh, wow. We have some roots here of the tree that can enable someone to guys are making it. Woo. Let me just go the last step.
That one is the biggest one.
The biggest one. Oh, I'm done.
Yes, she made it.
Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time,
Remember to subscribe.
remember to subscribe, guys. Bye.